how to bring my Sony action cam like that. This is what's it? Pangmapa. We are going to visit
the cave.
Yeah.
The Lod Cave is located in Pangmapa district of northern Thailand, which is about 45 kilometers from Pai. From the entrance of the park, we walked around for about 10 to 15 minutes going to the mouth of the cave where we got on a bamboo raft.
We're gonna go bamboo rafting.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, these are the seats.
Going inside.
The main cave is about a mile long from end to end as the Nam Lang River flows through it. It has different paths to go to different caves. The whole area is surrounded by stalactites and stalagmites as well as hundreds of bats, swifts, and some hungry fishes that follow us.
Oh, can you hear that? I can hear the bats.
It's up there, bats. Batman, dun 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 dun, Batman.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Sai.
Sai.
Yeah.
Hello.
I don't know what's inside, but let's see.
Hi. We're inside this huge cave.
That's the big color. Popcorn.
What? Snake.
Where?
There.
There's a snake over there. Can you see that?
Are we going back? Go back. I don't want to risk. Yeah.
We're still climbing.
After that shocking snake encounter, our guide took us to another part of the cave to see other stone formations. We climbed up and down different steps and ladders to see the other parts of the cave, hoping that we will see another stuff that would spoil the tour otherwise.
A stone that looks like a crocodile. Baby dolls. Baby doll stones.
Wow.
We're going down. We're going inside the third cave. Splendid. It's a coffin. Another coffin. There's another coffin there.
We only explored 3 caves and we wanted to explore more, but we needed to rush back down as our guide might run out of gas for the lamp.
Look at him. Look at him.
Kapit na! Nabatal yung bat ko at may siko.
We had to get on the bamboo raft again to go back to where we started. It was my first time exploring a cave and I must say I had fun. Well, except for that sneaky snake.
And we are outside already of the cave. Over there, we're going out there.
The Lod Cave adventure definitely gets a thumbs up, and I recommend visiting it when you're in northern Thailand. I couldn't wait to share more of our next adventures, so don't forget to subscribe. But first, let me take a selfie. there goes our adventure for this episode. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it and leave a comment or suggestion below. Do check out our other videos and make sure to hit that subscribe and bell button. Thanks for watching!